Hello, today I'm inviting you to try a delicious no-bake peach cake. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel and click the bell to stay up to date with my recipes. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. You can also find the same list in the description below the video. I've also added a link to my blog below the video where you can find all of my recipes. We need 600 milliliters of well-chilled cream. I'm using 30% cream, but you can also use 30.6% cream. Whip it until stiff. Next, we're going to prepare 2 colorless gelatin packets dissolved in 400 milliliters of boiling water. Now, pour in the gelatin that has cooled down but is still liquid. Pour it in slowly while mixing constantly until the ingredients are well combined. Mix for a while longer and the mixture will be ready. I've lined a 25 by 35 centimeter baking pan with oblong ladyfingers. You can also use round ladyfingers or cookies. Then soak the whole thing in milk or, for example, in water with added lemon juice. Then pour out the prepared concoction, spread out and layer with biscuits, then place the mixture in the refrigerator to cool till it thickens slightly. It's important to do this so that when pouring the jelly, everything won't mix together. We're preparing peaches from a can. I'm using a whole can of peaches cut into smaller pieces, spread on the biscuits. As you can see, my mixture has already thickened. Now when I place the peaches, everything holds in place. It doesn't sag. Then we prepare 2 peach jellies dissolved in 700 milliliters of boiling water. Of course, the jelly has already cooled. Ideally, it should be slightly set so that it does not get absorbed into the creamy mixture. Then refrigerate it for a few hours, preferably overnight, and the delicious, easy-to-make cake is ready to be served. Do try making it, and of course, leave a comment. Keep watching my other videos. You can find this and other recipes on my blog. I always provide the link below the video. Thank you, and send my regards.